What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. So our first car for the day is this 2021 Renault Kwid, which is going for 72,100. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 120,831 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine producing 50 kilowatts of power and 91 newton meters of torque with a 5-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 4.65 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 28 liters. According to the technical report, this car has 9 issues, which are steering gear loose, brake calipers needs repair, radiator cracked, suspension is not unstable, and chassis are cracked. So the body is still okay, even the colors didn't see any dent. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 2 color seats, your steering wheel, your infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your air condition. Yeah, there's nothing too much about this Kwid, but the car, it is still in a good condition. As you can see, the color, it is still okay. There are a few things that you can fix there and there, but that's it about our first car for the day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to share the video. Our second car for the day is the 2015 Jeep Cherokee, which is going for 95,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 202,952 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine producing 130 kilowatts of power and 232 newton meters of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 8.3 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. According to the technical report, this car has 5 issues, which are water pump leak, control arm bent, ball joint loose, water must be repaired, and LED hangers damaged. So when the interior of this car, it is quite exterior, it is quite clean. I didn't see any dent, any scratches. All the windows are tinted. Everything, it is still okay. Yeah, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have your black interior, your armrest there, it is torn. Yes, and you have your leather seats, your multifunction steering wheel, your touchscreen display screen. There's nothing too much about this car, but you can fix there and there. But the car, it is still in a good condition, as you can see. If you like this video, please subscribe, guys. Let's hit 400 subscribers before the end of this year. Our third car for the day is this 2024 Renault Megane, which is going for 86,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 1,922 per month. It has 150,070 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1.6-liter petrol engine producing 81 kilowatts of power and 155 newton meters of torque with a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. According to the technical report, this car has no issues. The exterior of this car, didn't see any dent, didn't see any scratches, I didn't see anything wrong. All the windows are tinted. It is quite in a good mint condition, as you can see. Even the technical report says this car has no issues and is a 2024 car, which you're going to pay 1,922 per month. So the interior, you have your touchscreen infotainment system, air conditioning, comfort fabric seats. There's nothing too much about the interior of this car. It is quite black inside. That's it about the Renault Megane 2024. It is quite a beautiful car. It's my first time seeing this car, and it is quite clean. If I had that money, I could buy it. Our fourth car for the day is this 2018 Ford Figo, which is going for 97,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So looking to pay 2,119 per month. It has 104,946 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1.5-liter petrol engine producing 88 kilowatts of power and 150 newton meters of torque, with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 42 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car has 4 issues, which are gearbox oil leak, tires needs replacement, CV joints are torn. The exterior of this car is still in a good condition. I didn't see any scratches, any dent. All the windows are tinted, as you can see. The only thing that is missing is the sunroof. So if this car had a sunroof, it's going to be a killer. So when it comes to the interior, you have your touch screen, infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your steering wheel, your cloth seat there with red linings. As you can see there, there's nothing too much about the interior of this Ford Figo, but it is quite clean. So if you're a female or you wanna buy a car for Uber or Bolt, I think this one is the right car to go for. Yeah, man, as you can see, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. Road to 400 subscribers by the end of this year. This is the 2014 Kia Sportage, which is going for 83,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 384,744 kilometers in the clock. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 116 kilowatts of power and 201 newton meters of torque, with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car has 9 issues, which are windscreen cracked, tires need replacement, warning lights, and fog lights damaged. So you're going to fix, man. You're going to fix 9 issues. They are too much, but if you're a mechanic, you can risk it, man, and buy this car for 83,900. So the exterior of this car, it is quite clean. Didn't see any dent, didn't see any scratches. All the windows are tinted, and yeah, man. The interior, you have your multifunction steering wheel, cloth seat, leather seats with armrest, your air conditioning, your touch screen infotainment system. There's nothing too much about the interior of this car, but it is quite clean. Having a leather seat, it's a must, man, because kids and eating stuff and touching. So when you have leather seats, you can just wipe with a toilet paper or wet towel. This is the 2006 BMW 3 Series, which is going for 73,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. So you're looking to pay 1,994 per month. It has 216,427 kilometers in the clock. It has a 3-liter inline-6 engine producing 190 kilowatts of power and 298 newton meters of torque, with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 12.88 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 70 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car has 1 issue. I thought it is an engine or smoky or oily issues, but is the tires needs replacement. So I don't trust this Dekra report, because BMWs, man, you know. So when it comes to the interior, you have your black interior and hood trim, as you can see right there. You have your CD play, air conditioning, premium audio system, leather seats. There's nothing too much about this car, as you can see, it's very old. You're also getting your multifunction steering wheel, as you can see, but it is quite clean, and I'm still don't believe the Dekra report of this car, but you can risk it, man. You can risk it and see what's wrong with it. And our last car for the day is this 2004 BMW 5 Series, which is going for 90,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 172,000 kilometers in the clock. It has a 4.4-liter V8 engine producing 242 kilowatts of power and 447 newton meters of torque, with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters per 100 kilometers, and a fuel tank capacity of 70 liters. I didn't see any technical report of this car, but it's a BMW. Problems are always there. It's either engine smokes, or engine cracked, or electrical failure. Something but it is there, which is very major and expensive. So the exterior of this car, it is quite clean. I didn't see any dent, any scratches. But the bumpers seems like they have been removed before, which you can take a note on that. So when it comes to the interior, you have your cream white seats, your multifunction steering wheel. There's nothing too much about this BMW, man. It is very old. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, guys. We're on the road to 400 subscribers by the end of this year. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Love and peace to you all. Boom.